major indicator of healthy skin is a natural glow. But factors like stressful lifestyles, hectic work schedules, inadequate sleep, lack of nutritional diet, pollution, harmful sun rays, excessive smoking, and drinking alcohol can make your skin dull and dry. All of these are part and parcel of your life, and you cannot run away from them. However, you can surely prevent them naturally. We have broken down these solutions to keep your skin glowing into home remedies. These remedies and tips cannot make your skin glow overnight. You need to follow the tips and use the remedies in the recommended quantity over due course to see significant results. Home remedies for glowing skin. Coconut oil. This remedy works best for dry and dull skin. Coconut oil locks the moisture in the skin and also nourishes it with essential fatty acids. It also protects your skin from UV radiation and enhances skin barrier function. All these factors can make your skin glow. You will need virgin coconut oil. What you have to do: warm up the oil slightly and apply it to the face and neck. Massage for a few minutes in gentle circular motions. Use coconut oil every night before going to bed. You can add some sugar to the oil and use it as a scrub to exfoliate your skin once or twice a week. Use coconut oil every night before going to bed.